Bitanano babaw kabalen ko, musta kayo po? Ako Louis season ning Hueren Pampanga. Ngayon nga daw ini at yung kami Kening Clark. Excited ko kasi may invite kami Kening metong kareng restaurant na memorable kaya kami nga duwang wife. Anyang kanitang mipaglola kami pa mo in Laguna ning restaurant ay ni is Giada's Kitchen and Cafe ana ata, pero ngayon ni Mary brand niya into G Cafe. So nanula ba rin migbayo atin bang midagdag, atin bang mig-retain, at tatandaan ko si Kenny ing paneming orderan itang karelang halo-halo at saka rin karelang tinape manyaman la. Tara lungub tamo lamentamo nung nano ing karelang sa serve Kenny. Feel excited kasi I feel like pala mo blast from the past. Anya kasi panay kami Kenny. Sabi ko pinandin paneming orderan Kenny. Halo-halo, tapos dening tinapay nga rin Yan So first impression to ngayon, ikalub mo king restaurant, medyo bala mo maging feminine niya. As you notice na nakadakal tanaman, yung pinaka-accent na ning room is color pink and other bala mo feminine color. Siguro parang na ako make-adapt na laketang bayong generation na mag-enjoy kening G Cafe. From the name itself, may giniyang mas makuyad. So millennial lang muna man ta G Cafe, di ba? So as I sit here in kakatamong main table, I can't help but recall itang time na talaga nga niya mumunta kami pa Kenny. Ali kami masyadong mag-explore karelang paman kasi in paneming orderan kanita, pane halo-halo, palabok, and then karetang breads. So just last year, mig rebrand la, they name it as G Cafe, and then pansin nyo pin medyo maging maliwalas na yung lugar. I think this is one of the most Instagram friendly restaurant I've ever been kasi almost corner or every wall Kenny is nakadakal something to focus on. Speaking of focus, syempre dapat mag-focus na ngunit kayong pamangan. Sabi ko pin dati, hindi kami masyadong explore karelang menu, but right now, magpasalamat kami kay G Cafe for inviting us kasi we're gonna try all of these. If not all, pero we're gonna try at least syempre karelang sinerve kaya katamo. Okay, so to start off, takman tayo itang karelang aman mo na Spanish pulled chicken. So apin din ito, matamong something like probably this part. So I think this is gravy, this is honey mustard, and then chicken oil. For me, let's go for gravy. Wow, look at that. Okay, so this is the Spanish pulled chicken. I like it. Medyo gagamatan niya ken tumataya. I'm curious but they now Spanish, pero siguro the way it was prepared kasi it's more of the native laretang spices na keta like ating onion, ating bawang, mga yan. Oh man, manyang may itong spices na talagang alasan mo lang. Okay, so we have to move on. So let's try the taco pizza. Slice tayo pa ang ken para mas manyaman niya. Whoa, look at that. It is so meaty. This one is a thin crust pizza, which is what I like. Oh, look at that. Let's try it. Amazing. So just to add up, malapit na yung Mother's Day. If you're looking for a place na talagang mag-enjoy mother, lalong-lalo na nung makanining ambience na mo, so try ya po yung G Cafe. Very interesting. Lawin niya po yung part na ini. So this is what they call crispy pata kare-kare. If you notice, it's a deconstructed kare-kare. Maging uso na rin, lalong-lalo na karetang millennial. Kasi itang sauce tamo ken supposedly na maka-include yung meat, it's separated. So it becomes balamud dip. So this is crispy pata. Of course, manyaman ken natin tamong dito ka meat and dito ka balat. The sauce. Look at that. Okay. Again, available yung kaya katamong bagoong ken. Pero I prefer not to. So, let's try it. Crispy pata kare-kare of G Cafe. So, let's try the meat first without any vegetable. Wow. Wow. Okay, so this time let's try it with the vegetable. And then the last part has the itang balat. Okay, goodbye diet. 3, 2, 1, there you go. Amazing, amazing. So obviously, for the meantime, medyo taste test pa ang gagawin tamo. As soon as we are finished with the taste test, we're gonna finish everything. Para miyabe lang ang kekatamong vlog. And then this time, ining awesome dong Porterhouse Steak. Look at that steak. This is really a huge portion. Yeah, no? Oh man. So it comes with vegetable and mashed potato. Okay, let's go get a slice of this fellow right here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, no? Dip it straight to the gravy. Mataya. Oh man. The meat is so tender. Kaya ba't malasaya pa itong ikuha kong part kasi ito yung dita kataba. And then the gravy right here is, wow, it's amazing. If it's a noodle soup, alike pa lang pasan yan. So this is their seafood ramen. Another piece of shrimp here. And then, oh, ini. I forgot the name of this. Wala mo, seafood something ini eh. Tayo. Wow. Wow, burike. Ito, so I also noticed kayong table tamo, alam mo, it's a mix of different kind of dishes. So there's your Spanish, there's your Filipino, there's your Italian, and there's your American. Atin tamong American breakfast, Kenny. Of course, atin tamong grilled steak. And then this one, show you first what's inside. Ayan. There's your beef. There's your balam jalapeno or bell pepper, cheese. Okay, so this is our cut right here. And we, wow, look at that. Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Wow. Wow. For a moment, indescribable yung feeling. Kasi super cheesy as in. And then itong meat tamo, which is the beef. Super tender. Super as in. And then itong kakatamong bread, it's not dry. Although it's thick. So this guy right here is, may itong karang order nyo kaya ni, promise. You won't regret. One more. Oh man. Right, so what is a cafe without, coffees and fraps, diba? So here kang G Cafe. This is their JC's Rocky Road Frap. Oh, just one sip. Oh man, that's amazing. Okay, so ini naman yung G Cafe triple dessert, as you can see. So meron siyang blueberry, carrot cake, multiple layers, and then on top is your ice cream and whipped cream, and then topped with an amazing cherry right here. Wow. Wow. Although it's not yet dessert time, pero minunaya kasi ngigit ko eh. So, mantaya. So you got your ice cream and whoa, look at that. Wow, kumata naman kaya itong carrot cake and the blueberry and the ice cream and the whipped cream and everything. Whoa. Whoa. Oh man. Yeah man, yeah. Okay, so on the healthy side of the drink, this is your carrot orange drink. We're gonna try it. Wow, super refreshing. To continue, I'll just mention ring aluman dishes Kenny. Initang sweet and spicy gambas pasta, beef nachos right here, and then this is their crab stick mango salad. Wow, look at that. And then of course for our dessert, so we have our cakes. Ini karelang famous ensaymada, and then you have your silvanas, this is empanada, and then this is your egg pie. So metong yung kareng memories ni Rening dessert sa Reni kasi anyang lagi kami mumunta ngayon. These are just the staple ones. So you have your palabok, you have your halo-halo, so might as well try them. The next part you're gonna see us trying everything and eating, so sana abayan nyo kami pumurin po. Okay, so that's it for our vlog. Salamat po for being with us, Pamantabe. One of my wishes is granted because may invite kami po. So thanks so much, Ma'am Luchi, for inviting us. For those of you who are looking similar to mga nining to serve the King San Fernando, at nila pong itang Maria's Restaurant. Diba? Maria's Restaurant. So that's located at Asindalan along MacArthur Highway, Yamo po ito. G Cafe is located at Berthaphil 3, Clark Center. And look at the food. So it's really above the level. So if you are to look for your next Mother's Day date, make sure to check out G Cafe. So dakla salamat po until our next discovery. Peace out.